Welcome back guys on another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be trying to give you tips about what must you do with your forex profits. So a lot of you withdraw your forex profits and you end up just smashing all the money which you have withdrawn from the forex market. Now here are the 3 tips I'm giving you to use with your forex profits. For those who are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to our channel, this is the FX Dev YouTube channel. We advise you to subscribe to this channel so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video like this. Now, another thing which we recommend you to use is our recommended forex broker, which is XNES. So the link will be down in the description. Hit that link in the description and open up an account with XNES and start your trading journey. Now, without wasting time, my first tip is don't try to live a higher lifestyle better than your earnings. Now, a lot of us, we find ourselves after making your personal money, you want to live a life of someone who already made money some time back. Let me break it down. If you have an account of $100, let me say, now that account of $100, if you don't risk that account of yours and you follow the proper risk management, that means this account of yours, you'll find that it can make for you like $10, $5 per day. Now, $5 or $10 per day, they can help you out to earn a living just for expenses and a little bit like saving up for your life. So $5, $10, you can buy something, you can eat, you can travel, you transport, airtime, data, such stuff. Now, but when you start earning money like $50, $70, $80, $100, so all this money can help you out to make some little bit investments. You get. But you find someone has made $30 a day. That $30 he just used the whole amount of money and just in spending. Why? He wants to live a life of someone who already has money or someone who is already trading like an account of 10k. You find someone who is trading an account of 10k, it can just take him like a few minutes to make those $30. But for you who has an account of $100, it will take you hours and days decided to make $10 or $30. Now, the proper way of not misusing your forex profits is live your normal life. Don't try to live life of millionaires or billionaires or people who have money. Try to live your normal life. If you have made $20, $30, you can keep or you can save the $10, use the $10, invest the $10. So you doing this system for a year, you'll find that you have change, a lot of change in your life. You think of saving some money, and you think of investing some money, and you think of using some money to maintain your life. So the first point is don't try to live a higher life more than your earnings. So you have to be the intermediate. Do not live your life of higher which you can't even maintain. Now another point is create another income stream to bring in money. So now here is where most of people fall, because I myself was also a forex trader who could make money, and you find you have used this money to do other things. You don't even have any other income stream which is bringing in money, but you find yourself that you are relying on only forex trading. So that means if trading doesn't make you money a day or a week, you are going to spend the whole week without even bringing some money. But if you use the forex profits which you are making and you set up another physical business, it can be a shop, it can be a mobile money agent, it can be, you can get that business, you have a little bit idea on it, invest in your money. Why? Even if you don't make money in the forex market, but you find you have made like a simple 10k, $300, $200, $50, $10, $5 in your physical business. So try to specify or break down other physical businesses. They can be like 2 or 3, and you also add in forex. It can be the 4th income stream which will be bringing in money to help me out. So most of the people do not take an issue of creating other income streams like a main issue, but it somehow somewhere saves you from even not trading a lot. So you find someone who's having different income streams which are bringing money per day, you find is not going even to rely on the forex market alone. You can even spend a full month without even trading, and you find he's not affected. Why? He used his profits back in the days and created other income streams. Now, the last point which I'm going to be tapping on is enter real estate. So most of you may ask yourself, I don't have any idea about physical business, I don't have any idea about creating another income stream. There is also an idea of investing your money in real estate. So you using your forex profits to just look good, buy things, travel, ABCD, but you don't have investments, somehow, somewhere, you're not going to be profitable for years. At some point, some week, some day, some month, you may lose some money. So if you're making profits in the forex market, take advantage and enter the real estate. Why? The real estate, we have not advised you to go and buy a lot of land and construct houses. No. Entering real estate, you can start by just buying simple land pieces. It can be a land for 5M, 6M, but when you turn that to dollars, it can be over like $700, $800, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. So you can decide and you say, this year I'm going to buy land. Let me save from January to December and see which amount of money do I have in my bank account. So after you saving all that money, use that money to invest in the real estate. And the last point which I'm going to give you like a tip, use your forex profits to invest in cryptocurrencies as well. So when you invest money in cryptocurrencies, that means money is going to make for you more money. Now we advise you to invest money in cryptocurrencies. Why? Cryptocurrencies, these are assets which appreciate in value. Now you're going to be having your money to make for you more money, even if you can't even wake up then night and you say, let me go and trade crypto. No, you just invest in your money and hold and wait for profit. So those are the tips we have tried to highlight for you guys. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe, like, and also share this video, plus commenting down the description what have you learned from this video, or which videos would you like us to make in the nearby future. And also don't forget to join our free Telegram channel where we send out free signals in our community, plus signing up with our reliable forex broker, which is Xness, and start your trading journey. We'll meet you in another video.